Alright, so when we're doing this, we're going to look at our front numbers here. So we have a 4. If there's no number here, it's going to be a 1. And then we have this 10. So we're going to list out our factors over here. We're always going to start with 1 in the number. When we think about factors of 4, so numbers that multiply to 4, that would be 2 and 2. And when you're trying to figure out what the factors are, if you'll take that number and you'll divide it by certain numbers, and if it divides evenly, then you'll have factors. So the only factors of 1 is 1 times 1. When we're thinking about 10, we have 1 and 10. And then I can think about, okay, what if I do 10 divided by 2? Well, 10 divided by 2 is 5, so I know 2 and 5 must be factors. Then I could say, okay, what's 10 divided by 3? Well, if I try to do that, it's going to be a decimal, so that's not going to work. You could keep on trying, but you're only going to have 2 and 5. So if I look through this list here, I'm looking for where we have numbers in common. The only numbers that we have in common are 1. I want to find the number in common that's the biggest. So the biggest number that they have in common. So our number is going to be 1. That we're taking out front here. Then I want to look at my variables. So I want to look, I have k cubed, k squared, and k. There's a k in every term. If there's that in every single term, then I can divide that variable out. So I have 3 of them, 2 of them, 1 of them. The smallest would be the 1. So I'm going to put 1k. And then I have r squared, r, and there's no r's here. There's not an r in every piece, so I can't take r out. Then I have q, q squared, q. The smallest of that would just be q. So 1k q. Okay? So we're going to divide by that. 4 divided by 1 is 4. I have k cubed and k, so that means I have 3 k's, and I'm taking 1k away. 3 minus 1 would be 2. R squared, and I'm not taking any r's away, so it's still going to be r squared. And then I have 1q, and I'm taking away 1q, so that's going to go to 0. Minus 1 divided by 1 is still going to be 1. 2 k's, take away 1k. That's going to be k. R, not taking any r's away. Q squared, so 2 q's, take 1 q away, and I have q. Minus 10 divided by 1 is 10. K, take away a k, that goes away. Q, take away q, that goes away. So we just have minus 10, and that's your answer.